if you look at the experience with citizens' initiative rights in member states, you clearly see that if such tools are to be workable, they must be designed in a citizen-friendly way. It is much more challenging even on the European level. Therefore, we said, keep even the restrictions lower than on national level and keep up the so-called support elements.
It's a great initiative. We're happy that it's there, but it hasn't really caught on. There's lots of reasons that have been discussed. One that I would like to add here as well is there hasn't been a lot of communication about it.
In the European Parliament, especially in the sphere of communication, we have very strong values. We are neutral, we are balanced, we are accurate, and we are transparent. That's few of our main values that always built the communication of the European Parliament. We stick to them, even online.
It's not about total openness now. It's not about let's open up everything and let's everyone see every little part of our internal process. There is always room for restricted workshop. There is always room for close collaboration. What is important is to gradually open up.
Citizens have finally realized that they have much more power than they thought. And they decided to not be only spectators or listeners or voters. They decided to raise up and to lead the masses and to start making change by themselves. Every month, we see 15,000 new petitions around the world starting on Change.org. That means hundreds of thousands of people mobilizing behind issues, but most importantly, that means tens of victories every day around the world. And this is only the beginning. Until to this moment, people only had to reply to those few solutions, but now the challenge is to answer to all those huge causes, to all those huge movements initiated by thousands or hundreds of thousands of people every month around the world.
Yeah, emotions, do we need them? Of course we need them.
I mean, if you've ever seen, I don't know, Mr. Cohn-Bendit or Mr. Nigel Farage, it's important for them, it matters. We're talking about politicians, and we try to reflect those emotions when we can have it, especially in our online content, in the interview, in the chat even. You can see sometimes you have spontaneous amusement or anger at a question, and we try to convey it.
And the dialogue on Germany's future was not just an internet-based operation. It was basically two-pronged. And we were overwhelmed by the result, especially if you have 25,000 visits a day and several hundreds to thousands of comments or proposals coming in a day. We had to expand our editorial team considerably.
Citizens want to participate. There are new neighborhood movements formed via social media, very strong, very immediate, very new, and in 1 year we have seen action like never before in Helsinki city on the grassroots level. In May this year, we opened the Government for Citizens portal. This is the one-stop shop for citizens to access public services. Again, it's a very innovative tool for our country. We still do not realize the potential of the social media in terms of listening to the citizens and engaging in a dialogue with the citizens. I mean, we are posting what we do, but we have still to learn how to engage and how to make sense of all these tools.
We need to have behind the type of instruments that we use the vision, so the message that needs to be conveyed. And it may be one or another type of policy, but what lays behind is just the fact that there must be a common will to make good things for citizens. And